If you are eligible to do something, you can do it because you are in the right situation.
Eligible. Eligible. Only people over 18 are eligible to vote.
In general.
Large. Large. By and large, people have welcomed the changes.
Pointing straight up from a surface.
Vertical. Vertical.
A vertical line.
The process by which businesses operate in many different countries and the culture of different countries becomes more similar.
Globalization. Globalization. The globalization of fashion.
One of the separate parts of a train where the passengers sit.
Carriage. Carriage. The front carriage of the train is for first-class passengers only.
One part of a country's economy.
Sector. Sector. In the financial sector, banks and insurance companies have both lost a lot of money.
Without the qualifications or knowledge to do something.
Unqualified. Unqualified. She was totally unqualified to look after children.
If money or help is forthcoming, it is offered or given.
Forthcoming. Forthcoming. He insisted that no more money would be forthcoming.
Something that you do in your free time.
Occupation. Occupation. He has a few occupations, such as gardening and woodwork.
When your employer makes you stop working because there is not enough work.
Redundancy. Redundancy. There have been a lot of redundancies in the mining industry.
Inside a person, object, organization, place or country.
Internally. Internally. This medicine is for external use only and should not be taken internally.
Having two parts, or having two of something.
Dual. Dual. Dual nationality.
The probability that a particular thing will or will not happen.
Odds. Odds. What are the odds on him being re-elected?
The food that you eat and the way that it affects your health.
Nutrition. Nutrition.
Good nutrition is essential for growing children.
The act of repairing and decorating a building that is old and in bad condition.
Renovation. Renovation. They spent all their savings on the renovation of an old cottage.